Hi, I'm Dr. Michelle Binch, CEO of Enabled Future. Over the past 8 years, I've led my consultancy helping businesses to meet decarbonisation targets by building technology portfolios that balance innovation, profitability and sustainability. I'm excited to lead this one-day workshop with IOM3 on introducing rechargeable batteries. This course explores the transformative impact of cost-effective batteries across sectors including mobility, stationary energy storage and industrial equipment. In this course, you'll gain crucial insights and skills to help you thrive in today's rapidly evolving battery landscape. We'll cover the fundamentals of rechargeable batteries, including their composition, techno-economic performance, regulatory drivers, and key applications, taking you on a journey from the early days of battery technology through to today's products with vastly higher energy densities and onto future developments which must keep pace with the ever stronger application requirements. We will delve into lithium-ion battery production and their chemistries, the ternary layered oxides such as nickel-rich NCM and the olefins such as lithium iron phosphate. We'll cover the trajectory of sodium-ion and solid-state batteries and see how recent developments in cells and packs have enabled a broader range of chemistries to be used across different sectors. From there, we'll see how it is that the most innovative batteries enable new electric vehicles to travel 600 miles on a single charge, to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds and to be charged in less than 20 minutes. We'll discuss the regulatory policies pushing for sustainable batteries with low carbon and recycled content. We'll explore the supply chain from mining to recycling along with the related infrastructure needs. Finally, we'll explore the cost structures of batteries and factors affecting their market pricing, which is crucial as market adoption grows. This CPD-approved course offers more than technical knowledge. It provides access to a network of professionals across diverse industries such as materials, engineering, packaging and management. After the course, you can stay connected via the IOM3 LinkedIn group, email your questions and continue to engage with the trainers. IOM3 aims to foster lasting connections, giving you not just knowledge but a support network to help you succeed in your sustainability journey. I look forward to exploring how rechargeable batteries can shape a sustainable future for your business and your industry. Thank you.